So you may be in a position where you actually have to go and basically install apps on your iPhone without having to type in your password every time. Maybe you want to do whatever the case is and you just want to install the apps. Where there's two main ways to go about doing this. Now, the main way is first of all, you will need to, basically still put in your password one way or another. But if you don't want it to constantly ask you passwords and all that stuff in the App Store, then you're going to be set for the most part. So the first method is pretty much disabling the password for free apps and all that stuff. So in order to do this, what you want to do is you want to make your way over to your settings app just like this. You then want to locate the very top option, which basically will say your name or someone's name. You just want to go ahead and click up there like this. And then you want to locate on the second block, so this little portion right here, there's a little media and purchases. You want to go ahead and click on that little media and purchases, and it's going to allow you to see your password settings. So you want to go ahead and click password settings right there. And then once you're on this page, you'll see a couple of different things. So first of all, one thing I would recommend is first of all turning off or turning, when purchasing, go ahead and do require after 15 minutes. If you always require password, it's always going to prompt you to type in the password, and that can get really annoying. So just clicking on require after 15 minutes will definitely help you out. As you can see, it does require you to type in the password. So once you type in the password for this one time, it'll end up working out. Now the next thing is require password. You want this to be disabled. You want to basically disable this little option, and it may require you and prompt you to type in the password again, but this is the most important part. And it's funny because I didn't even type in the password and it still disabled it. So if I go ahead and click there, maybe it'll disable it too, I guess not. But you basically want this portion to be off. As you can see, it's on, so it's always going to require the password. And it randomly just turned off again, so I don't know what that's about. So maybe you don't need the password, maybe you can click cancel. I don't know if that's a bypass or not, but that's pretty much the main way to do it. If you want to install apps without having to have that prompt come up with the password every time, this is what I would recommend doing. Now the second thing, which is a huge workaround and it's so temporary, but it's still a really cool thing, is basically using something like the Alt Store or any method like that, Box, any other app that allows you to install tweaked apps. I don't know, like as you can see like this, there are ways to install apps like this, iNintendo DS and a lot of other TikTok++, Snapchat++, things like that without using a password. And I would probably recommend that too, but like I said, it's temporary. It's not going to last forever. AppValley is another website. It's a very temporary. This app can get revoked. All these apps can get revoked. But if you're super desperate, that is another strong recommendation. I'll go ahead and leave my tutorials on how to install AppValley and how to install AltStore. And you can go ahead and watch those videos if you want to install or sideload these apps. They're not going to last there forever, but it's still a really good workaround for the time being if you don't have any access to the App Store. So that really pretty much covers it up. If you guys have any other questions or anything, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber that we get really does count, so it means so much if you guys could hit that. Also check out the other links down in the description as well. My Twitter, my Instagram, my other channels. More importantly, everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.